Saint Cecilia. Saint Cecilia was a noble lady of Rome who, with her husband Valerian, his brother Tiberius, and a Roman soldier named Maximus, suffered martyrdom in about 230 under the Emperor Alexander Severus. According to the story, despite her vow of virginity, she was forced by her parents to marry a pagan nobleman named Valerian. When the time came for her marriage to be consummated, Cecilia told Valerian that watching over her was an angel of the Lord who would punish him if he sexually violated her, but would love him if he respected her virginity. When Valerian asked to see the angel, Cecilia replied that he could if he would go and be baptized by Pope Urban I. After following Cecilia's advice, he saw the angel standing beside her, crowning her with a chaplet of roses and lilies. The angel garlanded them with the lilies. Cecilia's brother-in-law questioned, "How could we hear lilies when there is no season for the flowers to be available in our town?" Valerian narrated to his brother what had happened. Then his brother was baptized. Cecilia, Valerian, and his brother were fully engaged in burying dead Christians who were martyred for the sake of their belief in Jesus. Soon they started proclaiming the courageous martyrdom of the people. On account of it, Valerian and his brother were arrested and were asked to worship the god of sun. When they refused to do so, they were chopped. Cecilia said herself, "Why should I fear when my Lord is with me?" and took their bodies and buried. On her return, she was arrested, and the king ordered her to offer sacrifice to the Roman gods. But Cecilia ignored his command and boldly told him, "I am the bride of Christ." When the king heard it, he was furious and commanded soldiers to take her to a room for the suffocation. They set fire in the room, expecting that she will be burned. But when they opened the door next day, to their surprise, she was with no hurt and with smiling face. Then the king ordered to strike her with the sword. When the soldier cut her neck, it fell on the ground and he ran away. Cecilia was singing and praised for 3 days and died. Cecilia was buried in the catacomb of Calixtus and later transferred to the church of Santa Cecilia. According to the Catholic legend, in 1599, her body was found still incorrupt, seeming to be asleep. One of the oldest musical institutions in the world is in Rome, named after Saint Cecilia. It was founded by the papal bull and issued by Sixtus V in 1585, which invoked two prominent saints in Western musical history: Gregory the Great, after whom Gregorian chant is named, and Saint Cecilia, the patron saint of music. Saint Cecilia, pray for us.